Welcome to the Daily Recap here for June 13th. It's a Tuesday. We'll cover the markets in just a moment, but we had a couple trades we closed today, up $713 on the day. First trade to take a look at was a Disney January 19, 2024 Leap. So on this particular one, we sold the 70 Leap puts back on 6.5 for $1.64. We closed them today, hitting our 30% target for $1.13 debit. We were only in this trade 8 days, so 31.1% premium capture on this, which turned out to be a 7.3% return on margin, $153 to the good. So the Leap puts continue to just pay off, a couple $100 every single day. On these. The other trade that we closed today happened to be an Aussie dollar strangle. This trade was opened on 5/24. We opened the 60-cent, 72-cent strangle for 0.0025 credit. Again, remember this is a 100,000x multiplier on the Aussie dollar futures. We opened it on the 24th, closed it today, the 13th, for 0.0018 debit. We were in this trade for 20 days. We took 28% of the premium out of this trade for a 12.6% return on margin, $560 to the good. Now, normally, if you're familiar with my trade plan, and if you're not, you can check out the trade plan here on the YouTube channel. You can go through how to devise and develop your own trade plan. You can see some of my strategies. One of my core strategies is selling strangles on futures. Such great leverage. You can get farther away. We usually get the full 50% decay in about 30 days. But I took this one off early, only 20 days in the trade. We did capture almost 30% of it, so we were on track. However, with the US dollar dropping pretty well over the last several sessions and the Aussie dollar rallying based upon that, I wanted to take this trade off before it got into any particular trouble. I'm not saying that the dollar is going to continue to drop and the Aussie dollar is going to continue to rocket, but no sense hanging in there. So I took this off and reestablished a brand new strangle recentered on the day. So that was why we took this off a little bit early, but hey, you can't go wrong with a 28% premium capture, 12% return on margin, $560 in 20 days. On this particular trade. Great opportunities on these. So again, $713 to the good on this particular one. If we take a quick look at our account here for today, our deltas, because of the market moving up and this account moving up, deltas were -95, still very, very low. Almost delta flat, delta neutral. Theta is $825 here, 0.3%. So we're getting close to the 0.4%, but if I can stay over 0.3, I'm pretty happy with that. So good theta, $825 there. Total net lick at the end of the day, 274,769. BP use was 146,966, which ends up being about 53%. So we're right really about that 50% BP use here, adding $713 to our trades for today realized. So we're up $218 for the week. Yesterday, we did have a hedge close. So the only trade that closed yesterday, we took a $495 loss. That was an SPX butterfly hedge that we had on. We have several hedges. They're all going to be coming off in the next week or two, so we will be seeing some losses. It's just an expense, part of doing business here. So we'll deal with those as we go through it. So no big worries on those. It's all right to be hedged. It's a part of doing business. It's a drag on P&L a little bit, but also keeps that delta neutral, keeps us sleeping well at night. Quick take a look at the market today too here. ES futures ran up even higher, well above now this 3 ATR range on the daily over in here. So we're getting extremely overbought MACD continues to rise, super overbought on the RSI up to 84. Squeeze has been going on for quite a while. That's getting long in the tooth. Stochastic momentum continuing to rise. Now, it doesn't mean we can't go up a little bit further. We're up a little bit after hours already on ES. NASDAQ futures did dip a bit during the day. We at one point were negative, back to positive. So we'll see how the futures on NASDAQ continue to play out. But NASDAQ itself is up $18 on the trade, and then the Russell up $2.70, pretty well flat on the Russell and the IWM. But IWM, again, another 1% move to the upside as IWM keeps moving, and we've got several trades on in IWM right now as well. So we've got put spreads in it. We did open up some new trades today. I opened up yesterday we opened up Lean Hog 112. And then today we also opened up that XLE Leap put. We also opened up a new Aussie dollar strangle. So a couple new trades put on, keeping the theta moving. All right, guys, enjoy a great rest of your evening. We'll talk to you later.